Ma'am, kahapon, dun sa manifestation na pinasa, nilahad na ng prosecution team yung concern na dapat ma-justify ng defense team kung bakit maraming magkakaparehong ebidensya and exhibits. Pero apart from that problem, ma'am, is it right to say na it seems na yung gusto ng depensa na separate na pagmamarka ng ebidensya kahit pareho lang, isa po yun sa nagpapatagal ng pre-trial ngayon?
Well, masasabi po natin na pwede pong ganun, isa rin po yan sa magiging dahilan. Pero siyempre may mga iba naman po talaga na antayin na lang po natin siguro, no, na yung depensa ay maglahad ng kanilang mga salaysay.
Balikan ko lang yung comment ni Joel kanina about the marking of common exhibits, no? Usually, kapag common ang exhibits ng prosecution and defense, no, although subject to agreement din naman, possible na pwedeng ang marking ay same document. But in this case, hindi siya nangyari because the position of the defense is to come up with their own marking on a separate set of documents. So, yung process ng presentation ng documents for the purpose of marking, separate yun sa prosec, separate yun sa defense. So, it makes it more time consuming. And if we're talking about around 4,000 documents, then it is as if you are marking 8,000 documents. But of course, we understand that because it falls within their discretion to maintain that position, no? I just want to share that in a court proceeding, it is possible. Same document, it bears the marking of the prosecution and at the same time, the marking of the defense.
Ito pong hindi pagpayag ng defense team na markahan po yung pong pare-pareho nyo pong exhibits and witnesses. Do you think this is an attempt to delay po the process?
I do not want to speculate, no? Basta ang kaya ko lang i-share sa inyo, possible na one document, two markings. It's happening in the court, no? But of course, it is within the prerogative also of the defense if they want to have their own documents marked, separate from the documents of the prosecution, notwithstanding the fact that they are exactly the same.
So bakit po kaya?
Marian, your turn.
Kong, bakit po kaya ganun sa tingin ninyo yung ginagawa ng defense na gusto nila may separate marking pa when in fact parehong documents lang naman?
Well, that is their prerogative. Pero kagaya nga po ng binanggit ng ating chair na ayaw naman po namin na mag-speculate kung ano po ang kanilang dahilan.